The South African mining industry is committed to the principle of zero harm, with the goal that every mine worker should return home unharmed every day. Under its Real-Time Information Management System Research Program, or ARTIMS, the Mandela Mining Precinct developed a fully integrated visual positioning system, or VPS, to facilitate and improve asset tracking, trapped miner location, collision avoidance, and productivity. The VPS tracks multiple targets positioned within the boundaries of a location. During the deployment of the VPS, a location subsection called a work cell is formed by subdividing the site. Several adjacent work cells can be linked to form a work volume. Each work volume comprises a work volume control unit that monitors all the individual work cells, performing asset tracking, path planning, and collision detection of the people and vehicles in a fully integrated manner. While this is a small-scale demonstration, the VPS can track up to 50 targets by keeping the bandwidth requirements low. The VPS contributes to the ARTIMS framework for the Industrial Internet of Things for mining. It facilitates communications between different work volume controllers, enabling quicker and smarter decision-making within operations to improve the efficiency and safety of mining operations.